If the 2025 broke you, if people doubted you, remember it. Because 2026 isn't about starting over. It's about coming back stronger, calmer, and unstoppable. This is not motivation. This is your comeback blueprint. Chapter 1. The problem when everything falls apart. At some point, everything stopped working. Your effort wasn't respected, your voice wasn't heard, and your confidence slowly disappeared. You did what you were supposed to do, yet life still pushed you backward. People doubted you, and eventually you started doubting yourself. This isn't just failure. It's the silent pain of feeling invisible. The real problem isn't that you lost. The real problem is that you stayed there, wondering if this is all you'll ever be. Chapter 2. Awareness. The moment you see the truth, then comes the moment of clarity. You realize no one is coming to save you. The people you expected support from are busy with their own lives. Excuses stop working. Blame feels empty. And for the first time, you see the truth clearly. Your life will only change when you do. This awareness hurts, but it's powerful because the moment you stop waiting, you start taking control. This is where your comeback truly begins. Chapter 3. The solid solution. Rebuilding self-respect. Your comeback doesn't start with revenge or proving anyone wrong. It starts with rebuilding self-respect. You stop explaining yourself. You stop chasing validation. You stop talking about plans and start building in silence. Self-respect changes how you walk, how you speak, and how you choose your battles. You understand that results speak louder than arguments, and discipline speaks louder than motivation. This is the foundation. Without it, no comeback lasts. Chapter 4. Action. The silent work nobody sees. Now comes the hard part. You isolate, not out of weakness, but out of focus. While others complain, you improve your skills. While others waste time, you strengthen your body and your mind. You work when it's boring. You show up when it's uncomfortable. Doubt still exists, but it no longer controls you. Every small win rebuilds your identity. This is the season where you disappear from noise and become dangerous with discipline. Chapter 5. Implication. The return that changes everything. When you return, you don't announce it. People feel the difference. Your confidence is calm. Your standards are higher. You don't chase attention or approval anymore. The same people who once overlooked you now notice your presence. Not because you spoke louder, but because you became stronger. Your comeback isn't loud, it's undeniable. And in 2026, you won't just recover from the past. You'll stand as proof that breaking down was necessary to build something unshakable.